Hello guys, I am Desmond with DesPP Tech, and today I'll be showing you how to boost up your system or how to add RAM to your PC using your USB memory stick. I've got 8 gigs of memory stick here, 8 gigs of storage capacity, and the process is really simple. All you need to do is to plug in your USB memory stick, and if you are on Windows 7, you see a pop-up window saying use boost of my system using ReadyBoost. But here you can just come to computer, or you can find that on Windows 7. Just come to my computer. As you can see, I've got stuff in mine already. There's already data in mine already. So all you need to do here is to right click on the device or on a USB stick you want to use and click on properties. Then come here and take ReadyBoost on this bar up here, and in ReadyBoost you find 3 options. The first option says do not use this device. As you can see, it's very clear here. Taking this option, you won't be able to dedicate this device to ReadyBoost. The second option here says dedicate this device to ReadyBoost, and taking this option means you want to give the whole, that's every bit of the storage capacity to ReadyBoost. The third option says use this device. Taking the third option, you can adjust from here the amounts of your storage capacity you want to dedicate to ReadyBoost. So I'll dedicate 3 gigs of my storage capacity to ReadyBoost, and when you are done choosing what you want to dedicate here, as you can see, I've got data in mine already, so I'll dedicate 3 gigs and then the rest I'll use it as my normal storage capacity. When you are done here, simply click apply. ReadyBoost will configure your USB memory stick, and when it's done, simply click OK. As you can see here, 3 gigs have been used up from my USB memory stick. You can see entering here, you see ReadyBoost, and I can equally use it as my storage capacity. Congrats, you just boost up your system or add RAM to your PC using your USB stick. As you know, I am Desmond with DesPP Tech. Thanks for watching, and if you love the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe for more interesting videos.